In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track student attendance with Notion. We'll walk through a simple way to get started using a ready-made template from the Notion marketplace, so you don't have to build everything from scratch. By the end, you'll have an attendance tracker that you can start using right away for your class, training, or study group. First, open Notion on your computer. Once you're on your main workspace, look toward the sidebar or the top navigation area for the option labeled Marketplace. This is where Notion gathers templates and tools created either by Notion or by the community. Go ahead and click on Marketplace. It may take a moment to load, especially if it's your first time visiting, because it's pulling in a lot of content. When the Marketplace opens, you'll see a search bar near the top. Click into that search bar and type in Attendance Tracker. Be sure to spell it correctly so you get the most relevant results. After typing, wait for the results to appear. You should now see different templates designed specifically for tracking attendance or similar classroom management tasks. Take a moment to scan through the available attendance tracker templates. Look at the titles, the short descriptions, and any preview images that are shown. Some templates might be very simple, with just names and dates, while others might offer more advanced features, like status tags, class sections, or automated views. Choose the one that best matches how you want to monitor your students. For example, if you teach multiple classes, you might prefer a template that supports grouping by subject or section. Once you've decided which attendance tracker template you want, click on it to open the detailed view. Here you can usually see a fuller preview of the layout and sometimes a short explanation of how it works. If it looks good to you, look for the button that says Add or Use this template. Click on that. Notion will now add the attendance tracker into your workspace. It might ask you to choose which workspace or team space you want to add it to, so select the most appropriate one. After it's added, you can rename the page, customize the columns to match your needs, and start entering your students' names and attendance records. And that's it. You've successfully found and added an attendance tracker in Notion, giving you a simple